Introduction: Silent Warriors of Modern Warfare. In the high-tech age of war, victory is often determined before the first shot is fired. Before soldiers advance, before airstrikes land, a pair of silent eyes have already scanned the field. Those eyes belong to a small, unmanned aircraft, invisible to enemies, but invaluable to commanders. This is not a predator, not a reaper, but a shadow. Today, we dive deep into the RQ-7B Shadow, one of the U.S. Army's most trusted tactical reconnaissance drones. This is the RQ-7B Shadow, the tactical drone that sees all. The origins: birth of a battlefield spy. Let's begin at the start. The RQ-7 Shadow was born from a U.S. Army requirement in the late 1990s. The military needed a low-cost, lightweight unmanned aircraft that could provide real-time battlefield surveillance without exposing pilots or aircraft to enemy fire. Originally developed by AAI Corporation, now part of Textron Systems. The Shadow became a crucial tool in America's post-9/11 war efforts. After 2001, the U.S. began deploying UAVs at an unprecedented scale, and the Shadow soon proved its worth in both Iraq and Afghanistan. Engineering breakdown: what makes the Shadow tick? At just over 3.4 meters in length with a 4.3-meter wingspan, the RQ-7B may look like a model aircraft, but don't be fooled. It's packed with high-end reconnaissance technology, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, laser target designators, real-time video feed to ground stations, digital data link with encryption. With a top speed of around 110 knots, 204 kilometers per hour, and a flight ceiling of 15,000 feet, it provides real-time intelligence without ever being seen. It launches via a hydraulic rail system and lands using arrestor cables, no runway needed. That's what makes it perfect for tactical front lines. Operational deployment: Iraq, Afghanistan and beyond. The Shadow was deployed heavily during Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom. Imagine this. A convoy is about to move through a suspected IED zone. Instead of risking lives, commanders send in a Shadow. Within minutes, they receive high-definition, infrared footage of the road ahead, danger spotted, lives saved. In Afghanistan's mountainous terrain, Shadows were instrumental in locating Taliban fighters, monitoring ambush zones, and guiding airstrikes. More than 1 million flight hours have been logged, 90% of them in combat zones. Intelligence capabilities: eyes, ears and more. The Shadow isn't just a camera in the sky, it's a decision-making weapon. Its payload includes day/night FLIR sensors, forward-looking infrared, target laser designators, advanced comms relay capabilities. When connected to ground control stations or mobile command posts, it provides real-time battlefield mapping, detects movements, and even identifies enemy equipment types. Data collected by the Shadow can also be sent instantly to AH-64 Apaches or artillery teams, enabling precision strikes within seconds. Day/night FLIR sensors, forward-looking infrared, target laser designators, advanced comms relay capabilities. When connected to ground control stations or mobile command posts, it provides real-time battlefield mapping, detects movements, and even identifies enemy equipment types. Data collected by the Shadow can also be sent instantly to AH-64 Apaches or artillery teams, enabling precision strikes within seconds. Global use: allies and coalition forces. The US isn't the only user. Italy, Sweden, Australia, and Romania have all adopted variations of the Shadow system. Why? Because it offers portability, real-time intel, low operational cost. In NATO joint operations, the Shadow often serves as the frontline scout, especially when larger drones like MQ-1 Predators are either unavailable or too expensive. It's a plug-and-play UAV that fits modern warfare's need for speed and stealth. Shadow vs. other recon drones. Let's compare. RQ-11 Raven. More portable, but much shorter range and endurance. MQ-1 Predator, far more powerful, but needs large bases and high altitude. Shadow sits between these two, making it perfect for tactical, short to medium range missions. It's the infantryman's UAV, with enough tech to change the battlefield without the footprint of a Predator. Toolbox, tactical roles and real-world scenarios. Some common Shadow missions include convoy overwatch, border patrol, IED detection, battle damage assessment, BDA, forward observation for artillery. During one documented mission in 2008, a Shadow UAV located an insurgent mortar team preparing to fire. The drone laser designated the position, and an artillery strike neutralized the threat within 90 seconds. 0 U.S. casualties. 1 successful mission. Wrench upgrades, variants and the future of the RQ-7B. The RQ-7B V2 variant added. Increased range, 125 plus km. Improved GPS resistance. Encrypted video transmission. Automated takeoff/landing. Textron has also tested vertical takeoff versions and hybrid electric propulsion systems, aimed at improving stealth and endurance. While some newer drones like the RQ-21 Blackjack are entering the scene, the RQ-7B Shadow remains a workhorse for modern operations. Limitations and lessons learned. Like all systems, the Shadow has its limitations. Can't operate in extreme weather. Relatively loud for a small UAV. No offensive capability, recon only. Requires trained crew for takeoff/landing. However, it taught the U.S. Army and global forces a key lesson. You don't need big drones to win big battles. You just need timely information. Conclusion, the quiet game changer. As we look to the future, swarms, AI, and autonomous warfare, the legacy of the Shadow remains. It taught armies how to see without being seen. How to map an enemy force in real time. And how to win wars, one silent flight at a time. So, the next time you think of drones, don't just think of missiles. Think of the Shadow, because sometimes, it's the quietest weapon that makes the